You're chewing Rose. Roll over, Rose.
That was big.
She's smiling now. You're such a lady. Gotta see her face. Like, she's just smiling. Can you lay down, Rose?
Rose. Come here.
Right, silly? You're gonna burp again, aren't you?